that you're still sleepy, so I put the, what's that? I put the kumot. I put kumot to you. Huh? What? Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Love you, love you.
Love you. Da.
How's your sleep?
Good.
Good?
Da.
Wow.
Ganda na to.
Sisi, ala to. Sisi maganda. Sisi pangit.
No.
No, I'm just kidding. How's Melissa? Melissa pangit. O, diba? Good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday. Still no school. Today. It's still no school. Kaya si Sisi sleep pa. Okay. That's what we do. Me, I finish already the balcony. And I go already to the kitchen to put to open the small cabinet. And then when I finish, I just fix. I didn't make pa my riada. You want to make my riada? Okay. Yeah, sleep pa, sleep. What time is it? It's already 7 o'clock na pala sila. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Oh, so, good morning guys. How's your day? Some of you are still sleeping. And some of them also, it's midnight. And some of them, it's working already. Hermie in Baghdad mostly, except they have work, so they are maybe starting to their work, like me. And she has a school, she has friend. This is the friend of Sisi. Okay, it's a friend of Sisi. Friend of Sisi.
Yeah.
Sisi is a friend of Sisi.
Gracias.
Ha 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 ha. She only thank you very much. Pangit, maganda, or matanda, everything is okay. Everything you must to say. Thank you for everything.
Why is your hand?
Which one? What is your hands? Your hands. Good morning now. So I'm waiting that she go to the bathroom, brush your teeth, and after that one, I can go to the kitchen again to fix some of what's the term I kalat there, and it's easy. She wants not to take her breakfast. That's
Ah, the candy for making cacao.
Oh no! Don't see. Can you fit we put socks?
Why?
Because when you go down to go to the bathroom, you must put your
And
socks.
in school, no.
No, tomorrow also no. Tomorrow is Friday. Or in the afternoon, where we go? You go out in the afternoon. After lunch, so I don't know. Or lunch. Or we go to Baby Me or to Kalotay.
Mason!
Which one?
Mason, we go stay in the home.
Until now? Until today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow we go.
Okay.
Mama told me once let me stay in the home.
Okay. Oh. So last night we go down. We're watching what's that? What's down? Watching the film, but it's spend more time pa 9 o'clock start and then
Mom yesterday.
yeah, we go home na lang. Oh no, we go go to playground. And after that, when we go home na, then that's what they do. They have activities down. So I fix the comot. This one is the comot of Sisi.
Yes. I
This
can
over.
turn around.
Which one?
I make like this,
Like
and
this?
Mama makes
Oh, yeah, it's the triada.
like
Adi,
why like this?
yeah, it will become big na, but you must be careful because this one will be quick. If you must to do it that one like Juni and Asos, you must do here, so that when you go pull down, you go directly. Nakuha. yung alaga, problema lagi sa pet, sa panty niya. Kasi nga daw Oy, dito. Makita yan. Ibyan. Kita yan ang ano. Ibyan. We are making video. Ibyan. Okay.
No.
Ayan na. Dali na. Okay. What time na ba? Okay. Say bye-bye. Thank you again. Hindi na mag-socks muna. Thank you again. Tali ka mersito na. Thank you again to all the subscriber of us with Sisi. Thank you that you support my small video, my small YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So, that one is his socks. Okay, Mickey, what is your sock?
Mickey Mouse.
Ah, okay. Ito plain.
Why put
Okay.
in the pajama this one?
Which one?
Pajama this.
This one?
Yeah.
No. Thank you. Thank you. I wish to support us, me and Sisi.
Bye,
Nationwide and worldwide. Don't watch that. It's not to watch that. That's between me and you only. We just kidding, talking about that one. But to be outside, no, it's not good. We just have to. Sometimes we just make jokes. That's all. That's the reason we must to be talk carefully, especially to the children. Yeah, because the children, they are talking, they make copy also, and they don't know what is the meaning of that.
Grass.
But sometimes, kasi we just make joking. What? No, it's not kalat. What's kalat? Ayan, oh. I meant to say. Oh, ayan, oh. Oh, Mickey Mouse, where is the view?
No, Marco here, Helen Marco.
I don't know. Hatman, they make half. They make half.
What's up?
Yeah, like girly. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye na muna.
Bye-bye, TikTok.
Nga. Nila, bye-bye.
Bye, Pippi.
God bless us all.
Bye, Pippi.